For today's video, we will learn how to set a system protection for our PC. To start with, press Windows plus R and type in system.cpl. Press Enter or click on OK. There are a lot of settings we can do from here, but for the purpose of this video, we click on System Protection. We can see there are two drives connected. Since we want to protect the computer, we select the drive with the system files on and click on Configure. Select Turn on System Protection, click on Apply, and finally click on OK. Your computer system has some level of protection now. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.